Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I'm super excited. I thought I was done making videos for the evening, but no, I got a couple deliveries. So one was a very small haul, stuff that I got free and half price and in a party. And I got my monthly Scentsy Club. So that's what we're going to be opening. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Hey guys, I know I was live earlier, but Taylor just brought in a couple boxes for me, so it's about that time. One of them was my, I had closed a party, so I got all this stuff free and half price. So I'm going to show you that first. So what I got for half price was my air purifier filter, my replacement filter, because Caitlin's air purifier, it is due for a replacement filter. So if you guys have never seen that, this is what it looks like, nice and clean. So I have to replace her air filter. When your purifier needs replacing, a little red light will come on to let you know, girl, it's time. So I got that for half price, which is great. And then I got a bunch of scent circles. I got the, let's see, I got these free and half price. And they are the Harvest 3-pack. So the Wild for Fall, the Cozy Vanilla Pumpkin, and the Maple Rum Cake. Ooh. So I got how many? 4 bundles of that. So I got that for free and half price. I sure did. All right. So that's that. But I got my Scentsy Club in, and it looks like, I think it's my quarterly club. So first things first, I'm going to tell you guys what a Scentsy Club is. In case you don't know, you probably do, but just in case. It is a subscription that you start for free. You go on my website and you create a Scentsy Club. I can walk you through it. And then you put in whatever products you want for either, sorry, hi Karen. I got sidetracked because I saw Karen say hi. You get it for every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. So I have one that I have a Scentsy Club that comes every month. I have another one that's every other month, and this is my every 3 months. And the cool thing is that we have something called Always Get My Bar. So if you love a Scentsy bar, a scent, you can put it in your Scentsy Club and they will always make it for you, even when it is no longer available. You have to put it in there while it is available, and then when it's unavailable, you'll still get it, okay? You can always change your Scentsy Club. You can reduce the amount of, let's say you want 3 bars of a scent that is no longer available. And well, it's available, but it's about to go unavailable. You know what I'm saying? So you put it in your Scentsy Club. Then you're like, oh shoot, I wish I would have gone with 4 bars. Well, then it's too late. Once it's no longer available, you cannot go up. However, you can go down. You can clear it out if you want and say, I don't want any more of that, or you can just reduce it, but you cannot increase it. So that's my favorite part of Scentsy Club. So I get most of my scents or stuff that's like no longer available. Another cool thing is when your order reaches $30, you get 10% off. So it's like, hello, you're ordering that kind of stuff anyway, might as well get your 10% off. if your order hits $60, you not only get the 10%, but you get a half price item. Now this is not for warmers or diffusers, but it's for anything that's consumable like cotton cleanups, bulbs, wax, room spray, counter clean, the laundry line, body line, that kind of stuff. So the only thing is that the Always Get My bar is only for Scentsy bars. So let's say you like a scent that's in counter clean, and once it's no longer available, it'll be taken out of your Scentsy Club. But you guys, Scentsy Club is the best thing ever. Like the new scent of the month is so good for October. What is it called? I'm warming it in the living room. Warm Pumpkin Drizzle. That's going in my Scentsy Club because I don't know if they're going to put that in the catalog next year, and I love it. Hi, Brandy. So I'm going to go through my Scentsy Club and show you what I got. So this month, if you sign up for a Scentsy Club, you're already going to get a free bar of Fairy Tale Pumpkin. Not my favorite scent, to be honest with you, but you get a free bar of it. If it goes over, is it $60? I think it's $60. You get a bag of cotton cleanups, which is great. Now, so one of these I paid for and one I got for free. But remember, the one I paid for, I got 10% off because my order was at least $30. Another cool thing about Scentsy Club is you are going to get a like a little code that is only for you, an exclusive code. When you shop from your Scentsy Club, when you order Scentsy Club, for every $1 that you spend, you get 1 point that can be used for product, either from my website or from Scentsy Club. As well as if you share that exclusive link to someone and they start a Scentsy Club, every time their order ships, you get 2 points for every $1 they spend. So it's pretty cool. It's like a little perk. All right, so my half price reward is always going to be counter clean because I go through so much of it. I'm not working right now, but once I get back to work, I go through a bottle a week. So I got the Sun-Kissed Citrus Counter Clean. Love it. All right, and then these are my bars. Here's my bars. And in the hot months, they send them in the Mylar bag with an ice pack inside so that they don't melt. Let's go ahead and go through that. Now, I just recently reduced the amount. Actually, is this my monthly? This is my monthly. It's not my quarterly. I reduced the amount of what I was getting because I have so much of it, which is great. So like, I still get it, but I was getting 4 bars of toasted marshmallow. I've gone down to 2. It's still my favorite, one of my favorite bars, but I have a nice stash for myself, so I don't quite need 4 bars a month, okay? So I got 2 of that. I got, this was a scent that came out when I first started selling Scentsy. It's Toffee Butter Crunch. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It came out with during Bring Back My Bar. So I made sure, oh, I love Scentsy. Oh, I love that, Cousin Brandy. I love Scentsy too. So I put Toffee Butter Crunch in my, I put it in my quarterly and in my monthly because I want to have a nice stash for all year long. So I got 1 of those. It's Love is another one that was this was a collection. It was the Valentine's Day 3-pack. I love this scent so much. So I put just this one, not the other 2, but just this one in my Scentsy Club. So that's amazing. The other one was part of a collection as well. And it was from the Catching Z's collection. And this one is Shut Eye. I love this one in my bedroom. I reduced the amount because right now I'm doing all fall scents. So I don't want to have too many bars, like for no reason. So I reduced it to 1 bar because that actually, this one has 2 bars. I think it was 4 bars before. So I have 2 of that. And I reduced this one as well. This one is Coconut Cotton. This is the scent I use all spring, summer in my bathroom. Coconut Cotton had come back as a Bring Back My Bar. Oh my God. But right now I'm having spice and pumpkin and all that in there. But this is my bathroom bar, the Coconut Cotton. It's beautiful. Another one that I had reduced because I had 4 bars of it in there because it was a newer scent. It was from our Easter collection, and it's Blueberry Burst. This scent is so good. But now I'll have a nice supply of it by the time spring comes around. Oh, Blueberry Burst. It's like a real candy type of scent. Very blueberry. I love it. Hi, Amani. You guys, my friend Amani, Coconut Cotton, that's your bed. Yes, isn't it pretty? You guys, Amani just joined my Scentsy team. She was a Scentsy consultant when I very first joined. She is in England. So where are you from in England? Because I don't know. But she came back to Scentsy just today and joined under me. So she's my first international Scentsy consultant, and she's a friend. So I'm super excited that she joined under me. Another scent that I love is Cherry Almond Pie. This one I like in my living room. And this was also a Bring Back My Bar. So I have 2 of these, and it is so good. When this scent first came out, I didn't like it. I was like, no ma'am. But then I got COVID pneumonia, and I lost my, yay, you too. You're in London. Oh, cool. So I lost my sense of smell. We were just talking about this. For about almost a year, I lost my sense of smell. But when it returned, I now like scents that I did not like before. This is one of them. I really, really like it. And I used to love lemon. And now I used to really love lemon sorbet. I do not like it anymore, but I do still like lemon coconut chiffon. But it definitely changed my sense of smell. But now I love this one. The next one is, this is the one they give you for free. I hate it. I wish they wouldn't have put it in the catalog, but they did. And it's Fairy Tale Pumpkin. It's supposed to smell like pumpkin, but it has black licorice in it. And that's all I really smell. Maybe I'll give it another chance. Most likely I'll just give it to my daughter Caitlin to put in her house. Not my favorite, but I got a free one, so, you know. So that is my Scentsy Club. So remember, when new collections come out, like right now we have the Harvest 3-pack is available now. Let me see where are those. The Harvest 3-pack. Here's the holiday. Let's see. It's like maple rum raisin or maple raisin cake or something, rum cake. That one's good. And then there's another one that is like a pumpkin, vanilla pumpkin something or other. That one's good. But then this one, Wild for Fall, I wasn't a fan. Well, the cool thing about Scentsy Club is I don't have to put this one in my club, even though it came as a collection. But the other 2, I've already put in my club because I was like, yes, ma'am, I like them. So those are already in my club. And if you are a current customer, you have already received the holiday collection brochure. And on the 1st, because this is available October 1st. On the 1st, I will be ordering the 3-pack, which is cranberry orange cider, maple vanilla glaze, and swirling snowflakes. And then if I like any of these enough to put them in my club, they'll go in my club. But I'll be making samples of that. As well as on the, actually tomorrow, we are dropping the Scentsy bricks, the Christmas bricks, that which I don't know if you guys know what a brick is. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that's about to fall. Okay. Okay, this is a Scentsy brick. And this is one that you guys can't get because I got it at Scentsy Family Reunion. It was the commemorative brick. But let me show you. They put glitter in the wax. I don't even want to use it because it's just too pretty. Because you can't order this. But this is a brick. So here's the difference between a bar and a brick. Let me show you sideways. This is 5 times the amount of wax than this. It's a pound of wax. So during the holidays, we always come out with Scentsy bricks, 5 of them. And this year, I don't have my list with me. I'm going to be doing another video on that. But for consultants, they drop tomorrow. Yes, they're huge. Tomorrow they drop for consultants. So if you're a consultant, you can buy them, but you have to buy all 5. And so you can buy them early, make samples, and send those to your customers, which is what I'm going to do. And then on the 17th, they will be available. And then we are also dropping the scents of the season, which are usually like 5 bars, I believe. Yes, the bricks. Oh my God, the bricks are amazing. They're so great. And I'm going to do a video show you guys how to cut them up. The best thing to do, and just the easiest thing to do, is cut them up and take them out of the thing, and either put them in a Ziploc or put them in, I put them in a, what are those called? Like a mason jar, a large mason jar. But I'll show you how to cut them up, because 1 cube of this is way too much for a warmer. I'll put like a half a cube per warmer. It's a lot. So we melt, then make our own samples. Yes. Yes, Tanya, I'll definitely do a, training on that. But yeah, I'm so excited. But the scents of the season will be coming, and basically we'll get like 5 Christmassy scents, and then that's pretty much, yeah, you could just cut them and send them. I like to make little molds. Like this one is, it's kind of hard to see because I have it in there backwards, but this one is like a little like donut shape. I pour them into molds and give them to customers. But what was I saying? Oh, scents of the season. So we are going to be getting that soon. And so that's everything, you guys. I'm going to be sharing this on YouTube as well. But that's that. Like I said earlier, I do have an order going in tomorrow. So if you're local and you want to save on shipping, let me know. We have the Glam Buddies dropping, and there's, let's see, there's a swan, there's a fox, there is a sloth, there is a llama, and a unicorn, and a poodle. And so they are $25 for one, but if you buy 2, throw $40, so you save some money. Anywho, you guys, that's it for tonight, I think, unless Scentsy's gonna bring me some more stuff. I don't know. But anywho, you guys, have an amazing night, and I will talk to you guys later. Love you, love you. Bye.